Photoshop has now made it easier to create masks of multiple objects in an image, so that each can be edited on its own layer. Suppose we wanted to select and edit each cow in this image. You don't have to use the Object Selection tool. You can create a mask for each one. Let's see how it works. First, I will go to Layer and select Mask All Objects. Right away, I can see in the Layers panel that Photoshop has created a mask for each of the cows, as well as some landscaping. There's more than one way to create masks, so I'll delete these layer masks and show you another way. Select the photo in the Layers panel. Control-click on a Mac or right-click on a PC, and in the contextual menu, choose Mask All Objects. Now I can select the cow in the foreground, click on the Adjustments tab, select Hue and Saturation, and move the Hue slider so I can make the cow purple. I can even increase the saturation if I want. Now I'll select the middle cow. This time, when I select the Adjustments tab, I'll choose Levels and select the red channel. I'll drag the white point slider to the left a bit until the middle cow is a nice bright orange. Purple and orange, they must be Phoenix Suns fans now. That's how you can quickly create multiple layer masks in Photoshop. Why don't you give it a go?